MP, your thoughts? Tragic situation here in Walkerswood this morning, sir.
Truly heartbreaking situation in Walkerswood. Joined Councillor Garrick and His Worship the Mayor Michael Davis over here in Walkerswood. We are aware of 3 children who would have perished this morning in truly tragic circumstances because of fire. We're obviously awaiting the outcome of investigation from the fire brigade and indeed the police. I've been in contact with the Prime Minister, MP for the area, Lisa Hanna, and of course Minister Dana Dixon. All the arms of the state to provide the necessary support are already mobilized. But for right now, we're purely focused with Council for the area and of course the Mayor in providing emotional support to the community. Though it is on the southeast side of the boundaries, the children attend schools in northeast. So a very close-knit community, even though there are political boundaries, and in times of tragedy like this, we obviously have to come together to provide support for the community.